To replace the discharge chute on the Cub Cadet Chipper Shredder, you will need a 7/16" wrench and socket. Before you begin the procedure, remove the shredder bag, if applicable. Unthread the 2 retaining knob screws, securing the bottom of the chute. Use the 7/16" wrench to secure the chute's mounting bolt. Then use the 7/16" socket to fully unthread the nut. Slide out the bolt. Detach the old chute and remove the 2 spacers. To install the new discharge chute, align it on the impeller housing and insert the spacers. Insert the mounting bolt, then thread and tighten the nut. Fully position the chute, then thread and tighten the retaining knob screws.